Hey, what's up, everyone? This is Gerron here with Big Dreams, and I am back with another video. This time, I figured I could go over some of the items that sold over the weekend. I like doing videos like that because it gives you an opportunity to see exactly what's selling in real time, and you can start to identify a BOLO list, a be on the lookout list. It also, shows you, what I'm pricing items at. I can tell you how long it's taken for me to turn over a particular item. And really, it's just good to see, what is actually selling on the eBay platform. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into what sold for me over the weekend. Okay, so first we have the size 13 Nike Air Max Sequence running shoes. I sold those for 18 bucks plus $4.96 shipping. And I think I had those for maybe a month and a half to 2 months, which is too long in my opinion. But nevertheless, they are gone, so I'm not going to complain. And then we have these Under Armour women's joggers. Sold those for 22 bucks with $7.96 shipping. I believe I held on to those for maybe a week and a half. It was a faster mover. I like to see items move quickly. That's what I'll go for. But I mean, we can't predict everything. So sometimes you end up holding on to things a little bit longer than what you actually want. These men's Mephisto men's shoes, sold those. I took an offer for, I want to say 25 bucks, charged them a little bit of shipping. I held on to those for about 2 months. These Polo Ralph Lauren, or this Polo Ralph Lauren pullover, sold it for, I think I took an offer about half of that price, $7. Sold it with some shipping in there. And I want to say I held on to this one for probably a month. And, guys, to be honest, if I'm holding on to an item for longer than a month, I'm gonna be more likely to accept, a lower offer because I want to get it moving. I don't want to hold on to it for, several months. So this was basically an experiment. I got it because I wanted to see how the kids market would do on eBay because typically I haven't had much luck. So I wanted to just kind of test it out. Held on to it for probably 2 or 3 months and took an offer for like $3. So it was not a very good sell on that one. So I know I will not probably be getting kids clothes as much anymore. This was an international sale. It sold for full price, and I held on to those for about 2 months. This Texas Tech shirt here, it's a V-neck. I sold it for full price, and I think I held on to it for probably 3 months. Walt Disney Mickey Mouse T-shirt, sold it for full price, and I've had it for probably 4 months. This Life is Short, Play Hard Roger Clemens vintage T-shirt. I sold it for 16 bucks. So I took an offer for $16 and I had this for probably 3 weeks. So you guys can get an idea, of just how quickly items move or how slow they move. And I'm trying to build my store around items that I know will move a lot quicker. So a lot of the stuff that you're seeing sell now is stuff that I've been having for a little while that I'm trying to get rid of. These Merrill sandals, they've been sitting in the store for, I would say, probably 4 to 5 months, but it's getting to be, the springtime and the summer months. So people are starting to buy more and more sandals, sold those at full price. And then these women's Coach thong sandals, sold those. I think I sent an offer for maybe 17 or 18 bucks. And I've had these for probably 3 months or so. Under Armour shorts, took an offer of, I want to say 14 bucks on these. And I've been holding on to these for probably 2 months now. These Tommy Hilfiger shorts, I think they sold for full price. and I've had these for probably 6 months, I think. Men's Columbia shoes, sold those for about 17. I sent an offer, and I've held on to these for probably a month. And one shorts, took an offer of 15 bucks, and I think I had these for probably 3 to 4 months. Vintage Screen Stars men's t-shirt, sold this one for 15 bucks with $4.96 shipping, and I had this one for probably 2 months. North Face hiking shorts. These are some cargo shorts, real comfortable. Sold those for, I want to say, 17 bucks. I sent out some offers, and I had these for roughly 2 to 3 months. Tommy Hilfiger men's pants, sold those for full price, and I've had these for probably 2 or 3 months. These kids tennis shoes, I ended up selling these for like $5 because I just want to get rid of them because I've had these for like 6 months. So it was good to just finally get these out of the store and be done with them. Paradox men's legging pants, sold these for 13 bucks, and I had these for probably a month. These Nike Dual Fusion shoes, sold these for, I want to say, 16 bucks, and it took probably 2 weeks to sell those. And Michael Vick t-shirt, it's vintage. I sold it for 25 bucks, and it took probably a month to sell. The Birkenstock women's Mayari style sandals, I listed those on, I want to say, Sunday, and they sold on Sunday. So, and they sold for 25. I ended up, no, they sold for 27, I believe. So I had the listing at 43, but I took an offer at 27. Birkenstock women's, these Mayari, they're the golden brown ones. These sold in probably 2 or 3 days, and they sold for right around $20. Orvis pants sold for 25 bucks, and they sat for about a month. All right, so the rest of that is from today, but you guys can get an idea of what moved pretty quickly, and the items that I held on to for, in my opinion, too long. What I like to do with this information, I like to evaluate it weekly and just try to figure out, okay, which direction do I need to go in moving forward? Okay, so what I'm starting to do, I have a lot of shirts in my store, and they haven't been moving as quickly. So to get rid of them, I've been putting them on Facebook Marketplace, and I've had a lot of success. So, I've identified a platform that's best for moving shirts. And so that's what I'm trying to do. For shorts, I'll probably be doing that as well. I know, with particular, kids clothing, I probably need to stay away from it because I'm not doing such a good job selling it or moving it. And so that's basically what I'll do. I'll look and I'll analyze, okay, how long did it take for me to sell this particular item? And if it took too long, then I'm probably not going to be getting it anymore. So you can see with these Birkenstock sandals, they sold within a week. And that tends to be the case whenever I am able to find, the Birkenstock sandals. With the Nike shoes here, they sold in about 2 weeks. So I'm keeping that in mind whenever I'm looking for products. I'm going to be looking for Nikes. I'm going to be looking for the Birkenstocks. I'm looking for items that I know I can turn over quickly. A lot of the stuff that you see here, thank God it finally sold, but it's been sitting in my store for a while now. And that's the good thing about eBay, is that, your stuff will eventually sell. It's just a matter of getting better with your sourcing and identifying those items that will sell quicker and for higher dollar amounts. So, guys, I appreciate you for stopping by. I wanted to make this a quick video. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know what they are. I love to know how your weekends go, what type of sales you have, and how often you typically get sales. So, guys, once again, Thanks a lot, and I look forward to connecting with you in the next video. See you later.